Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Hello guys, today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058013 October-November 2017. Question number 1. Ahmad drives his car from London to Cambridge. He leaves London at 7:45 and arrives in Cambridge at 10:17. Work out the time in hours and minutes that he takes to drive from London to Cambridge. So we can use this one. 10 hours and 17 minutes minus 7 hours and 45 minutes, and answer will be 2 hours and 32 minutes. So we can write here 2 hours and 32 minutes. Work out 16% of this one. So 16% of 525, this will be 16 over 100 multiplied by 525, and this will give us 84. So answer will be $84. Question number 3. A quadrilateral has one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. Write down the name of this quadrilateral. So it will be a kite, like for example this one. So it will be structure like this one. So it's having one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. So this will be kite. Question number 4. Simplify. These bases are same, so powers will be in case of multiplication, power will be added. So 4 plus 5, so this will be equal to y raised to power 9. So our answer will be y raised to the power 9. Question number 5. Scale is given. Write down the number the arrow is pointing on the scale. So 0.1 and this is 0.2. So this will be 0.1, and each small is equal to 0.02. So this will be 0.12, 0.14, 0.16. So this will be 0.16. Write these numbers in order of size starting with the smallest. So smallest is 0.06. We will write first this one, then comes 0.078, this one. So 0.078, next will be 0.42, and the biggest will be 0.5. This will be the ascending order. Question number 6. A bag contains 16 counters. 3 are red, 6 are blue, and rest are yellow. So 3 plus 6 will be 9, and remaining will be 7. So J takes a counter from a bag at random. Write on the counter the color J is most likely to take. So because yellow will be 7. So yellow will be equal to 7. So there are 3 red and 6 blue and 7 yellow. So most probably he will get the higher probability will be for yellow. So we will write yellow color because yellow color balls are more in number in the bag. Write on the probability that the counter is red. So for red it's 3. So 3 by 16 will be answer for this getting red. Complete the table. Question number 7. Fraction 1 by 4 we'll have to convert into decimal, and 1 by 1 divided by 4, we can write it as 0.25, so this will be 0.25, and 0.8 we can convert into fraction, which is 4 by 5, like this one. So what we can do, we can divide by this one and we will get this one 4 by 5. Basically 0.8 they have provided, so you just press equal to and you will get 4 by 5. So 4 over 5 this one, and 4 over 5 in percentage, so 4 over 5 we can multiply both by numerator and denominator by 20 to get 100 as denominator. So this will be 80 over 100, so our percentage will be 80%, like that. Question number 8, S is given, T is given, and we have to work out 5S minus T. So 5 into S will be 3 minus 1, and minus T will be 4 and 2, and when we will be solving, this will be multiplied, this will be 15, and minus 5, and minus this one, so minus 4 and minus 2, this will be our matrix. Now we can write the final answer, this will be 11 and minus 7, so this will be our answer, 11 and minus 7. This is done. Now question number 9, solve the equation, and this 2x we can shift to this side, so 5x minus 2x will be equal to 19, and 4 will be shifted to this side, so minus 4. So this will be 3x is equal to 15, so x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 will be our answer at the proper place. Now question number 10, by writing each number correct to one significant figure. So first we will have to write all these numbers into, we will have to write them in first one significant figure, and then we will have to estimate the value, and this will not be by calculator used. So one significant figure for 59.2 will be 60, right? So this will be, or 6 point, this one, and then we can write this as 1.97 will be equal to 2.00 or 2, and 2.04 will be rounded to 2.00. Similarly 3.85 will be approximately equal to 4. So these will be the approximated numbers, which is like one significant numbers, and now we can replace these numbers. So 60 for this one, multiply by this will be 2, and over this will be 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, and now we can solve. This is 120 over this will be 6, so this will be equal to 20. So this is how we can estimate. Without calculator we have to do this. Now question number 11, in a survey of 40 workers, 6 cycle to office. So there are total 40 workers, out of 46 cycle to office. The office has a total of 800 workers. Estimate how many of the 800 workers cycle to the office. So 6 out of 40 and multiply by 800. This is how we will be calculating it, and this will be 6 divided by 40 and multiplied by 800, and this will give us 120. So 120 workers are cycling to office. Now question number 12, Adila invests $1,200 at the rate of this one. This is the principal amount, this is the rate per year compound interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 2 years. So this will be A is equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 in raised by T. So this will be principal amount. So amount at the end of 2 years. So A will be equal to 1,200 into 1 plus 2.6 over 100, and the duration is 2 years, so this one will be calculated, and we can check this one. 1200 and bracket 1 plus 2.6 and divided by 100, and this will be raised to the power 2, and this will be equal to 1263.21. 1263.21, and this will be dollars as answer. Question number 13. The table shows the temperature at midday in some cities on 1st of February. Write down the city with the lowest temperature. Lowest temperature will be negative, like -10 is the lowest, which is Moscow, so we can write here Moscow will be having the lowest temperature. Work out the difference between the temperature in Berlin and temperature in Warsaw. So Berlin will be 6 degrees Celsius and Warsaw will be -2 degrees Celsius, so this will be equal to 8 degrees Celsius, so difference is 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Minsk was 3 degrees higher than the temperature in Moscow. Work out the temperature in Minsk. So Moscow is -10, so 3 degrees higher than -10, so -10 plus 3 will be equal to -7, so -7 degrees Celsius will be our answer. Question number 14. The mass correct to the nearest gram of each of 20 potatoes is shown below, and this is the data provided. Complete the frequency table. So we have to complete the frequency table. From 80 to 89. 80 to 89 will be 85 and 89 also, so 1 and 2, then 89 one more, 3, and there will be 84 also, so 4. So this frequency will be is 4. Now 90 to 99, so one is 97, 93 as well, 90 as well, then next is 96 and 98, so this one and this one, so this will be 5. Then comes 100 to 109, so 107, 106, 2, then 100 also 3, then comes 102, 104, this one, and 109 also, so 6 will be for this one, and 110 to 119, so 116, 118, 112, and that's all, so this will be 3, and 120 to 29, so one will be 25 and the other one will be 20, so this will be having frequency of 2. So we have done this tally chart, we have completed. Write down the model group. Model group is this one, which is 100 to 109, so 100 to 109, which is having the maximum frequency, is the model class or model group. Question number 15. Calculate the size of one interior angle of the regular 12-sided polygon. So it is 12-sided polygon, so we will be applying the formula 180 into n minus 2, and this will be equal to 180 into n is 12, 12 minus 2, so this will be 180 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 1800. So this will be divided by the number of sides, so 18 1800 and divided by 12 will give us 1800 divided by 12 will give us 150. So this will be 150 degrees. This one we can write here 150 degrees. Calculate the size of one interior angle of the regular. So this will be equal to interior angle like this one. Question number 16, work out 7 whole 1 by 3 and minus 1 whole 1 by 4, giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest term. So we can change this into improper fraction. So 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 will be 22, 22 over 7 minus this one will be 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4. So this will be the fraction. Now we can take LCM or we can equalize the denominator. So I'm taking LCM. So this will be 28 and 7 4s are 28 and 4 22s are 88 minus 7 4s are 28 and it will be so 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. So 88 minus 35, 88 minus 35 will be equal to 53. So 53 over 28 and 53 over 28 we can write in mixed fraction. So we can divide, like for example 28 over here and this will be 53. So this one will be 1s are 28 and this will be 13 and 5 and this one will be 25. So one whole we can rotate this like this one. So this will be equal to 1 whole 25 over 28 and this one will be our final answer like that. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 17. ABC is a right angle triangle. Use trigonometry to calculate BC. So BC is this one. So this over this means opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So sine of 52 degrees will be equal to AB over BC, which is equal to 8.6 over BC. So it means BC will be equal to 8.6 over sine of 52 degrees. This will be equal to so 8.6 and divided by sine of 52 degrees and this will be equal to 10.91 and we can give answer as 10.9. Hopefully this is also clear. This is basically centimeters and centimeters already written over here. So question number 18, write this one as ordinary number. So par is plus, so decimal will be moving to the right. So 4 jumps we'll have to take. 1.8, this will be taking 4 jumps, 1 jump, then 2 jump, we'll put 0 over here, then 3 jump and 1 more jump. So decimal will be shifting over here. So it will be, answer will be 1812 zeros. So our answer will be over here, 3 zeros like that. Then calculate this one, give your answer in standard form. So we can use calculator. 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 6. Basically we can use brackets. So 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 6 will be this one, and bracket close and minus in bracket 7.5 into 10 raised to the power 5 and bracket close and answer will be this one. So we can write 2.9 into 10 raised to the power 6 minus 7.5 into 10 raised to the power 5 is equal to 215 and 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros. Now we have to move decimal after first non-zero number, so 2.150000, so it will be 4 and 6 jumps, so it will be 2.15 into 10 raised to power 6. So answer will be 2.15 into 10 raised to power 6 over here. Now question number 19. Alvin changes some money from dollars to euros, and for $100 receiving 60 euros, so $100 and 60 euros. So this will be the point we can put cross, and we'll have to join this line like this one. So this and this will be the line which we have drawn. Now it is B part is saying B1 142 euros, $140 to euros. So if we convert from here, this will be 182 82. So 82 will be answer for this location, so we can write here 82 euros, and 20 euros will be this, and it will be intersecting over here. So this point will be 20 and this is 40, so each one is in the middle will be 30, so it will be like 31 or 32 we can write. So 32, if I'm not mistaken, so this will be $32. Then question number 20, it is saying these are the first 5 terms of the sequence, write on the next term. To check next term, we will be checking the difference. So 4 plus 6 will be 10, and 10 plus 6 will be 16, and again 6 and 6. So adding 6, basically we are getting adding 6. So if we add 6 in 28, we will get 34. So next term will be 34. Write on the rule for continuing the sequence. So add 6, this will be the rule. And then these are the first 5 terms of the different sequence. So this is basically adding 3, this is also adding 3, and adding 3. So find an expression for the nth term. So 3n, 3 difference, so this into n, which is if we replace n is equal to 1, we will get 3, but we need 11, so we will add 8. So our formula will be 3n plus 8. We will have to check this formula, is it working for the other terms. For example, 1 2 3 4, we can check for 4. So n is equal to 4 will be 3 into 4 will be 12, 12 plus 8 will be 20. So this is what we have checked for, so it's working. So we can write 3n plus 8 as our nth term. Question number 21. The scale drawing shows a park ABCD. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 20 meters. So 1 centimeter to 20 meters. This is the scale they have provided. So going ahead with the question, in fact I wanted to tell you first that this is a published paper, and published paper is always a little reduced in size. So whatever measurements we will be taking, that will not be the actual measurement which are for the actual exam paper. So this is reduced paper. So AD length, for example, distance AD we have to find, and this distance AD will be a little reduced one. So what I will do the actual calculation here of this drawing, which is 8.6 7.9 roughly. This is 7.9 centimeter, and multiply by 20. So 7.9 multiplied by 20 will be equal to 7.9 multiplied by 20 will be 158. So this will be 158 meters. This is what this drawing is showing us. But in marking scheme, according to marking scheme, they have given answer as 168 meters. How they got this one? Because this is the actual paper was having distance of 168 divided by 20, so actual distance was 8.4. In actual drawing, this distance AD was equal to 8.4 centimeter. So 8.4 into 20 will be equal to, this is what, so 8.4 multiplied by 20 is equal to 168 meters. This is the calculation of the marking scheme, and this is the calculation of this drawing, which is a little reduced drawing. So I'm copying here 168, which is marking scheme calculation, but I have explained you this calculation as well. Hopefully you understood this. And this is standard procedure for all measurement questions in IGCSE Cambridge past papers. Measure the bearing of B from A. So bearing of B from A, it means we need this angle. So we have to measure this angle. To measure this angle, we'll be using protractor and we'll be turning the page. So if I turn the page like this one, and after turning this one, we can put the protractor over here, and this is like, if you can check this, this is not 75, this is 74. So we can write here 74 degrees. So measurement, always we are writing, in case of bearing, we are giving in 3 digits. So we will be not writing 74, we will be writing 074. So our answer will be with the leading 074. If it is 2 digits, we have to give 3 digits, so we will be writing 074, and no need to write this degree symbol over here, so it will be 074. There is a path across the park that is equidistant from CB and CD. So we have to CB and CD. So we have to take angle bisector of CB and CD. This is CB and this is CD. To take angle bisector, we will be using the compass and we will be bisecting this one. So from here we can draw an arc like this, and we will be using this point and this point, and we'll be opening this one little, and we will take an arc over here, and the same distance we'll mark another arc, and we'll have to keep these arcs also, and this will be part of our working. And then after making arcs, we can draw over here. So up to this one we will be drawing this line, and this is basically the bisector which we have drawn. So we'll go through question again. There is path across the park that is equidistant from CB and CD. Using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the position of the path. Show your construction hour. So basically we are done with this. So we have shown this path as well, and we are done with this. Now question number 22, which is the last question of this paper. The diagram shows a shape made from a square and a semicircle. Square and a semicircle. So this is square, so it means this side is 10, this side will also be 10, and this side will also be 10. So it means the radius of this one is 5 centimeter from this to this one, which is radius, which is 5 centimeter. Now calculate the area of the shape. So area of this square shape, this one will be 10 into 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 will be area of this one, and plus area of this will be area of semicircle, which is pi r squared by 2. This will be area of semicircle. We have divided by 2. This is area of the circle, and divided by 2 will be area of the semicircle. So this will be 100. 100 plus pi into r is 5. So r square means 5 square divided by 2. And now we can calculate this. So this will be 100 plus pi 5 square by 2, so it will be pi this one into, we can write 5 squared over 2, so this one will be equal to 139.27. So we can write answer as 1. This is approximately equal to 139. So our answer will be 139 at the proper place over here. So this is our final answer. Hopefully you understood each and everything of this paper, and don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and press bell icon so that you will be getting intimation for incoming videos as well. And also share and recommend this channel to your colleagues, your students, your class fellows, and also introduce this channel to your respective teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.